Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video. And we are going to be testing out a new product from ColourPop. It's eyeshadow because of course we tested this foundation last week. So, just so you know, we don't always do foundations, but I know that for wrinkles and stuff, mostly foundations and concealers is what we do. But this week, this is a new product, and I just wanted to test it out. And I thought, you know, there haven't been that many new products, so we better use it for a Hot Flash one. Anyways, I forgot to show you the box. It is the Blush Crush from ColourPop. They had two colors at my Ulta. They had the Blush Crush, and then they had this a warm tone, a neutral one. It was pretty too, but I just felt like I had a lot of those colors already, and I thought these ones I have less of. So that is what we're going to try today. I'm going to start with my Essence Eye Base, and we're going to put that on. And then spread it out with the sponge. I haven't been using this as much lately. I think it's just because I've been in a hurry though. So, since all I gotta do today is go to the grocery store, I'm good. I will have listed everything that's on my face below, but for this one, we're just testing out the eyeshadow palette. So let's see, I haven't even really looked at it or swatched it or anything. I think I want to go with like super neutral. I'm wearing, this is kind of orange, but this is a blush palette. So I think I'm going to go with like these right here. I don't know, like I said, I haven't even swatched them. So, you want me to swatch them? I could swatch them all. Would you like to see swatches? I'm going to swatch these top three right there that I said I was going to use. Seems like ColourPop usually has some sort of coating on theirs because I can't always see. Can you see them? Not very well, huh? I can see them. They're pretty. I'll do the next three. This is the middle row. Very pretty. Maybe we'll go like this. Oh, that's better. And that is it. That's all the ones in this palette. So now I don't know what I want to use. I don't think I want to use just I want to use this one down. You'll see. I'll show you as I go. All right, first we're going to take this very lightest matte color right here, and we're just going to dust that right over that eye base that I put on. Okay, now I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into this, let's see, I think I'm going to go into this cheek to cheek down here and put that in the crease. I can't see. Why is this so low? Actually, I'm going to use this for transition because it's a lot lighter than I thought it was. Pull it up nice and high. Put it on the outer half of the lid. All the way to the middle. I like it because it's not super pigmented. So you have to build, but at least you don't super saturate your whole eyelid when you first start. And I prefer that because then if it's super pigmented, it seems like that first, wherever you touch the brush first, that's where you get a spot. And who needs that, right? This brush is shedding. Seems like I remember that from the last time I used it. Actually, though, I don't know because I have several of these, so it might have been a different one. All right, so that's it for the transition color. Seems like I got a little more on that eye. All right. So now I'm going to keep using the same brush, and I think I'm going to go into this, what is it called? Oh, that last one was called Cheek to Cheek. That first one that I used was called Lovesick. Now I'm going into Enamored, and it's this peachy frosty one. And I'm going to put that on the lid. Can't really see it very well. I might have to wet this. I don't want to get too much because I don't want fallout from sparkles. So I think I am going to wet it. So I'm going to get quite a bit on my brush like that. Grab my Fix Plus. I don't even know if I hit the thing. And put a little bit more on here. That's better. Seems like I don't have enough on that eye. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to go in with a little pencil brush. If I can find, there's one. And I'm going to get some of this Pop a Bottle. Anyways, it's this sparkly one in the middle on the first row. And since I already know that it needs spraying, I'm just going to spray it and put it right in this inner corner. Oh, I didn't get it because it's not even wet. Well, it doesn't seem to stick very good. There, now it feels wet. After I got it way down there. Okay, next I'm going to push line. Actually, I think I'm going to put a little bit of this dark one. That guy right there. That is the color Blush Wine. And I'm going to take and put a little bit of that in the outer corner. Just to help lift this up a little bit. And I got too much up here. There. That's fine. Okay, now I'm going to push line with my Maybelline Tattoo Gel Liner in Onyx. And I washed all my brushes, so now I'm gonna smudge it. I think it looks amazing. I really like it. Yep, I definitely think this is the palette I'm going to take to California. I like it a lot. So let's go with this. I'm gonna go off camera, do my brows and my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and this is the final look for our Blush Crush from ColourPop eyeshadow palette. I love it. I think it turned out really pretty. So I'm giving it a thumbs up. It's not creasing or anything. It's not gonna crease because I put primer on underneath it. So I think it's beautiful, and I give it a thumbs up. It's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!